This is a studio of Côte d'Azur with a full pool view. Hotel room. Bedroom apartment in Côte d'Azur. Look at this view. Oh my god. पूरा का पूरा आपको सी व्यू मिलेगा इस अपार्टमेंट के अंदर से। यहाँ पे बहुत ही बड़ी रनिंग बैल्कनी और टेरेस है। यहाँ से आपको फुल सी व्यू मिलेगा, बेडरूम से भी, लिविंग एरिया से भी, हर जगह से आपको फुल सी व्यू मिलेगा। ये देखें, ये इसकी बिल्ट इन वार्डरोब है और ये इसका बाथरूम है। Look at the walls. Everywhere you will see this 2.5 meter of thickness of this marble. Look at this huge bathtub. I don't know if you can see it or no. Like this you will be able to see. Really amazing, elegant, incredible. Look at the finishing. Starting from here all the way to the other side, going up to here. So now I am standing in the terrace of this elegant one bedroom apartment, and from the terrace you will be able to see the full sea view. As you can see behind me, it's full sea view. You will be able to see the beach view, pool view, and the full sea view you will be able to enjoy from your terrace of this Côte d'Azur one bedroom apartment.